All right, welcome everybody to yet another DIY video. This car right here you're looking at, it's a 2012 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. What's going on is that the battery is dead. I cannot open the trunk to get to the battery. And trying to start, see, it's all the way dead. I watch a whole lot of videos on YouTube, but I couldn't really see the one that would help me with this. So I found a way, which I don't think is the best or the only way to get to the trunk, but I'm gonna show you real quick. Let's see. You see back there? You see it? All right, so basically I'm going to use this workout bar here. Well, you can use whatever you have, like a long stick, to just push that little button I just showed you. Just push it to the right. That way I can open the trunk, because that's the only way I figure I can open it, because yeah, it's a challenge. So let's see. And voila. Ooh. See it? I was able to open it just like that. Ta-da! So basically this is what I was showing you. Over here. I don't know if you can see it better now. And it's open. Battery's right here. Let me see, you don't need them bigger things anymore. That's all I need right here to get this thing started. Put it in. And we already have lights and stuff. And voila, we are on. Yep, so hopefully this video can save someone or show somebody how to do this, you know, before you go through a whole lot of charade. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to your channel. You know, we're going to keep on bringing you them DIY videos, you know, that way, you know, it can make life easier for me and you. You know what I'm saying? All right. Peace out.